to my animal world. My name is Artho and I'm excited to share my love for all creatures, great and small with you. On this channel, we'll be exploring the amazing world of animals, from the tiniest insects to the biggest mammals. Join me as we learn about their habitats, behaviors, and unique characteristics. Whether you're an animal lover or just curious about the natural world, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all the latest animal content. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get started on our journey into our world. Today, we are going through one of the largest predators in human mankind, dinosaurs. We might have heard about it somewhere today. We are going to learn about interesting creatures. Before we are going to learn about those creatures, just let us look into the dinosaur's origin. Dinosaurs were at the top of the food chain from around 230 million years ago until about 65 million years ago, during a time period called the Mesozoic era. This era is divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods, which span from about 230 million years ago to 65 million years ago. The dinosaurs lived during all three of these periods, but went extinct at the end of the Cretaceous period, about 65 million years ago. Dinosaurs were incredibly diverse, with over 1,000 different species discovered so far. Some were herbivores, while others were carnivores, and they lived in a wide range of environments, from deserts to forests to swamps. The extinction of the dinosaurs is still a subject of debate among scientists, but the most widely accepted theory is that they were wiped out by a catastrophic event, such as a massive asteroid impact or a series of volcanic eruptions. The asteroid impact theory suggests that a massive asteroid, estimated to have been about 10 to 15 kilometers in diameter, collided with Earth around 65 million years ago. The impact caused a massive explosion, sending shockwaves and debris into the atmosphere and triggering earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires. The debris and dust from the impact would have blocked out the sun, causing a nuclear winter effect that would have cooled the planet and disrupted the food chain, leading to the extinction of the dinosaurs and many other species. The volcanic eruption theory suggests that a series of massive volcanic eruptions, known as the Deccan Traps, in what is now India, over a period of several 100,000 years, may have contributed to the extinction of the dinosaurs. The eruptions would have released massive amounts of greenhouse gases, leading to global warming, ocean acidification, and other environmental changes that may have made it difficult for the dinosaurs to survive. Let's move into the modern world, the closest descendant of the dinosaurs. Although the dinosaurs went extinct millions of years ago, their legacy lives on through their direct descendants. While birds are the most well-known descendants of the dinosaurs, there are also a number of other modern animals that can trace their ancestry back to these prehistoric creatures. One such group is the crocodilians. Crocodilians, which include alligators, crocodiles, and caimans, are a group of reptiles that first appeared during the Mesozoic era around 250 million years ago. They share a number of similarities with their dinosaur ancestors, including their tough, scaly skin and their elongated snouts. One of the most fascinating things about crocodilians is their ability to remain virtually unchanged over millions of years. In fact, some of the earliest known crocodilians looked very similar to modern-day crocodiles and alligators. Another group of animals that can trace their ancestry back to the dinosaurs is the turtles. Turtles first appeared over 200 million years ago during the Triassic period. They are characterized by their hard, bony shells, which provide them with excellent protection from predators. Interestingly, scientists have found that the shell structure of turtles is very similar to that of ankylosaurs, a group of armored dinosaurs. This has led some researchers to suggest that turtles may have evolved from an ancestor that was similar to ankylosaurs. There are also a number of modern-day lizards that are considered to be descendants of the dinosaurs. One example is the monitor lizard, a group of large, carnivorous lizards that are found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Monitor lizards share a number of similarities with their dinosaur ancestors, including their elongated bodies, sharp claws, and sharp teeth. Finally, it's worth noting that there are also a number of modern-day animals that are not direct descendants of the dinosaurs, but are still considered to be living fossils. These animals have remained virtually unchanged over millions of years and can provide us with a glimpse into what life was like during the time of the dinosaurs. One such animal is the horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs first appeared around 450 million years ago during the Ordovician period. They are characterized by their hard exoskeletons and their long, spiky tails. Although they are not direct descendants of the dinosaurs, horseshoe crabs have remained virtually unchanged over millions of years years and are often considered to be living fossils. In the end, we are able to learn birds are the most well-known descendants of the dinosaurs. There are also a number of other modern animals that can trace their ancestry back to these prehistoric creatures. From crocodilians to turtles to monitor lizards, these animals provide us with a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of life on Earth. We continue to uncover more about the ancient past. It's exciting to think about what other connections we may find to the creatures that roamed the Earth so long ago. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning more about these fascinating creatures.